the second morning at the cabin, and we have a beautiful breakfast once again.
Wait, Alex, are you hopping on it?
Vegan sausage.
Fuck yeah.
Vegan sausage and the cinnamon buns and some fruit, and there'll be some jam on there in a sec as well. So delicious. I've just learned that Josh is apparently a
Certified hater.
certified hater, designated
It's like
hater.
designated driver, right? When everyone drinks and fucked up, they get a designated driver. Everyone wants to be happy. I'm the designated hater. I'll fuck your day.
And I told him I'm the happiest person on the planet. Like, there's no way to break
Their
this.
shoes and hide them somewhere.
That's all right.
That's cool.
I'm fine with that.
You would not be
Wait,
able
wait. What would you like to
to
see?
get to her, but you would be encouraged to try. It's like an immovable object meeting an unstoppable force.
The thing is, like, I value our friendship.
Yeah.
So it's like in order for the challenge, I have to like put that to the side. It's like, okay, I'm like, I will.
But I think
Fuck
both
you.
of, if this was a competition, both of you are competitive enough.
Yeah, I don't want to compete as being a hater. Like I do it recreationally. Like I don't have the jersey no more.
That's fair.
It's not a competition. I'm happy. I already won.
Stop saying that. 'Cause, like the competition brain is like going off. And like nah, like I'll take that jersey off the wall.
Everyone's making music again. Day 3. And playing games. Hello,
Yeah.
Caesar. How's the weekend going?
It's going well.
Yeah.
I'm
Have
trying
you
to beat
made
my
some
high
new
score.
music? Oh,
Yeah.
have you made some music?
No, it's just all games.
Oh my God, it's Pac-Man.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to take a little pause from all the vlogging of all the music stuff and all the boys over there to talk to you guys about this. I am so late to this party, so late. But I've recently invested in micellar water. This is from Mexico, so it says agua micellar. But micellar water has changed my life. This is a little travel bottle. What this is it's a cleaner that you don't need to wash off your face, and it's a makeup remover in one. So you can do both in one. Todo en uno. That's what it says right here. And it's super accurate. So I've been using this to like clean my face. And then there's such thing as double cleaning, where you can like clean your face with this and a cotton pad, and then wash your face properly with your regular face wash, and then moisturize afterwards like you would normally. So yeah, this has changed my life, you guys. I'm using this instead of makeup remover at the moment, which also means I have less to carry. So as a traveler, this is pretty good for that as well. So yeah, that I'm not even sponsored by this. I'm not. This is just something I enjoy. So yes, a little ad break, and I get nothing for it. But there you go, micellar water.
Forever. I don't want to die. I just want to live forever. Yeah, you said 3 days ago. Yeah.
We crashed a car. We crashed a plane. We crashed a spaceship. We're gonna crash.
Time for tea. Let's check out how the bachata duo are doing upstairs. Oh no, this tea and this skirt up the stairs. That is not a good combo.
Word. What up?
George, how's your bachata coming along?
It's going great. You want to hear it? Or?
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
You know I miss her when you left me and you told her. We said goodbye and then we 4 more days and so
You about to verse though, so.
Love it. Love it. Sounds
I'm
so
on the
good.
first bachata song. I've
Yeah.
never I've never done it before. I did.
That-
So
that
I
your
still can't
vo-
do the dance.
Is that your vocal?
Yeah, that's my vocal.
Nice.
I still can't do the dance.
Hey, let me
but-
know if you want a female vocal.
Hey, we might hold you up to that.
Yeah, for real.
I'm in a house of so much talent right now. It's inspiring, honestly. Like, I've been walking around. It's inspiring me with my work as well. Hopefully this inspires you guys as well to create. We need more creators in the world. So we need more art, more music, more creativity all around. The funniest thing, Patrick just recorded Vante snoring and he's putting it into a track.
This is gonna be fire.
On God, bitch, you a liar. Yep, on God, bitch, you a liar. Yeah, be singing.
Kind of goes.
It's a good.
Patrick.
We,
Hey,
okay.
wait. Shh. You recognize something?
On God, bitch, you a liar. Crush on the couch outside. On God, bitch, you a liar. Yeah, be singing with the choir at the Sabbath. Get no help, but I'm getting all this wealth. Blame.
Josh, listen.
Did it? Oh my God. Is that
Yeah.
in the beat? My next day gonna be mixed with brown and brown. I don't need a crown. I don't need a rap. I don't really like the sound. I don't need a
I'm a documentary and I'm trying to get my wins. I'm trying to set my funds, do it for the fun. Catch me moving, I stay on the run. That's not how I always sound. You put some shit on the voice now. Yes.
You cooking? Or you mushrooms do be good with that. Yeah,
Some more food, vegan burger. With onion and without.
You can be my guitar. Yeah, I'm not sure what to say. Okay. It's good?
I took too big a bite. That's really good. There's got mushroom in it. It is. You know, I came here with some real preconceptions about what it'd be like to live with 9 boys. Is it 9? 8? 8 guys?
10 right now.
10 guys right now?
Yeah.
But look at this. It's actually been relatively clean in here. It's like all my preconceptions blown out the window.
You're in good hands.
I know. Genuinely.
There is. Could have been bad hands, you know. You know,
It's been really great.
we're a step above, I think.
Yes, definitely. No. People have been keeping the place relatively clean. It's been really smooth. Mason's going to teach me how to DJ.
They should sync up. I can use this to speed it up and down a little bit
Okay.
to catch it up. That does
But teach it to me like I'm 3. Like I don't know anything.
That's tough.
That's harder than it looks, you guys. The packing up has begun. Scotty's leaving tonight. So sad.
Gotta do what you gotta do, though.
Yeah. It's Sunday evening. Most people are staying one more night. Whew, it's super cold, but there's a few people going out to the shops. I'm going to join them because, I don't know, I just like doing things and going places. I'm going to miss this place. It's our last night tonight. a Walmart in rural Georgia. Let's see what it's like. What's the difference between Atlanta proper and rural Georgia?
Well, one's the city and one's the country.
Thank you. Well, it was like any other Walmart. We're back. My back hurts so much. We got some fire starter for this fire pit over here for later. It's just a collective cheers.
Don't even.
Is that
show
the
my
cheers?
beard.
Hell yeah.
To the end of a great weekend.
Hell yeah.
And to the start of a
What?
terrible week.
It's downhill from here, guys.
This was my peak for the year.
I'm not looking forward to tomorrow.
You guys, boys' weekend is really fun. More people should go. We should have more girls at boys' weekend. It's a good time.
Then it wouldn't be boys.
Oh, bad idea.
Few people are leaving.
You got
Houston's leaving.
Super mega star Vante.
Scotty's leaving.
That's lovely invite, bro.
It's been so great.
Come, bro. Thank you again for the invite, bro. The wing, all the meals, bro, the times, the memories, bro. Hell yeah.
Vante's leaving too.
Bro, you know. Bro, good to see you, man. Taken away from this trip
Other way. This
that you'll carry with you for the rest of your life. Nothing. No changes have been made. We're the same people.
growth.
Arguably
We
worse.
plateaued over this weekend.
We might have devolved in this trip.
It's so cold. This is what we got from Walmart. Some fire starter to make this job a little bit easier.
What made you
Happening.
choose North Carolina?
They're catching slowly. Still recording.
And he has a gun.
Get him!
Marrying this bitch out.
Oh, it was just a phone. Too late.
Nah, you know
black
black
people
people
don't-
black people don't do
the
interracial
ice.
shootings. You doing 1,000 takes again?
We're doing, yeah. Yeah.
You're going for the third one.
What are you playing?
Golden Tee 2K.
What is that?
Golden Tee 2000.
Is it golf?
It's Golden
go.
Tee 2K. Ooh. Oh, I'm in the green? No, I'm in the rough.
You're cold, Caleb.
I am cold. Rather chilly.
It
Rather
is
chilly.
freezing cold. It's freezing cold.
It's colder than a witch's tit out there.
Golden Tee 2K.
Yes, this is a bad one. This is a bad hole.
That's what she said. It went in the water.
We're in the.
In the water.
He just broke it.
All
your turn.
right. Golden Tee 2-player. It's my turn, you guys. What am I doing here?
You pull the ball back and then you push it forward.
The whole line or just pavement?
In the middle.
Oh my god, film that.
Yeah, I hear.
That's what she said. Go back and let's go
Dude.
straight into the tree.
Dude.
Holding you down
What? Look, it's just
to the pavement. Holding you down.
further back.
You look so defeated.
It keeps happening.
Oh no, the man.
Okay,
He's so
okay.
sad.
Down to the pavement.
And it rolled back again.
You're right.
This man is
This
just
is-
in despair.
This is awful.
Holding you down to the pavement.
They're still doing that one line. It's been like an hour.
Call for two is up.
Oh, go for 2. That's me. Here we go.
Can you edit out the parts where I was bad?
Holding you down to the pavement.
No. Oh. I can't catch a break. It just keeps going in the
Dude,
water on one side
It
of the
took
other.
it said no, both of you guys suck.
It's the last night We are watching a movie, just winding down. Well, there you have it. Boys Weekend was a success. You can check out all the artists' socials, which are in the description box below. It was less rambunctious mayhem than I thought, and more a productive and wholesome gathering with the boys. 12 out of 10 would recommend. Until next time, embody love for yourself and for everyone else.